Look at this delicious crayfish soup. Okay, let me explain. In Jamaica, it is tradition to show up the birthday person with flour. Let me know in the comments what tradition you have in your country. Welcome to Vibez Birthday Cookout. Best crayfish soup, cheesy crayfish, fried barra, that's my favorite. Join us for a fun cookout by the river in the beautiful parish of Manchester. You want some? I come here before? I cannot recall. Oh, yeah, I do remember. This is weird. I came here before. Wasn't there a bridge? People, I'm confused. I don't know if I've been here before. I have arrived. It's a long journey. Hey, hi. How are you? Hi. You good? Oh, happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday. People, today there's no hunting today. Today we just sit and yum food.
Do the right thing.
It's weird. I might still have to go in there and see if there's anything. So you're fine. But I have not been here before.
But she never got
Underground mermaid. She live in the water.
Oh Jesus.
I visited dry land today.
So she's not afraid of crocodile then?
She's not afraid of nothing.
No, afraid of dry land.
There's the underground mermaid in the water. There's the underground mermaid who lives in the
Happy
water.
Earth strong.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you very much. You are here. Crocodiles. Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad that you are here. We are very blessed to have you here.
No wetsuit today, people. That's weird, I know, but you know.
Yeah, but just chill out one day.
Chef, right?
Chillax one day.
I'm not even used to this. Look at this. Yo, Barra head.
Barra head. One book road. You get on right now.
Yeah. Guys, I brought some fish. That's my birthday gift. Yeah. The birthday catch.
What is this? What is this? Yeah. Yes, thank you, Bobby.
You're welcome.
This is my favorite sauce for the chicken, guys.
Yeah.
Fry Barra head. Deep pool. And let me take a picture of this beautiful sight. Barra for this. Even though we're just chilling today and there is no hunting, you know I'm still gonna jump into this. Yeah, of course. Cannot come into this. It kind of looks cold. Yeah. But I definitely gonna test the waters. People, I'm here asking for help. I'm escaping me on crayfish to eat. So help with this. more vloggers are rolling, you know.
Yes, one.
Big link up.
Big
Big
link
link up. Yeah.
90s.
Hi. Hello. Yeah, people. We've seen the crew before, right? Yeah. Good. I just yeah. What's up? Love the hairstyle. Yeah, man. So we have wildlife family in the house. Yeah, and just arrived. Cheesy crayfish. Hi. Good.
So then jive. So now what jive? Yeah. How we get you then?
Cheesy crayfish. So is this is so good.
It's not that good.
Don't listen to Miss K. She I don't know. Don't listen to her. Listen to Mermaid.
Sun now.
The cheese when I eat.
Man. The sauce.
Yo. Taxi.
Delicious.
Oh, she said
Do you have more you don't like?
Huh? Is there more things you don't like?
Taxi
No man, this alright, but you know, so nice.
Me not taxi again, chief.
See there? See nice Auntie Jess? Nice.
I want that.
I was delicious. Don't listen to her.
Wet dip.
Wet dip, alright. I'm learning something here. What does that do?
Make it more crispy.
More crispy?
Crispy, yeah, crispy.
So you could do the fish same way?
Yeah, I can make fish.
Cape seafood.
Yeah. I don't want to. They love best style.
Yeah, man. Teeth in front of him right now, my style.
We can. So guess what? The thing is, to it, you have to put on the flour. You see?
Yeah.
You don't put on it. And your oil have to well hot too. Because if the oil is not well hot, everything come back in a different pot. Right, Jeff?
Wet fried chicken.
Yeah. Jess. Jess. When you're there on the level ground, so Miss Jess, you see? Your foot there on top. When I say Miss Jess, then wibble we out to see there, but we're not saying nothing.
Yeah.
I will have the last laugh. Right now, in them part, my foot is not them part.
Sore.
And the water, I'm going to kind of chain line up this up. I'm almost down this up.
Look here, and you tell me you want to build more.
No worry yourself.
Where you complain for?
No worry yourself. Who have the last laugh? You
No,
know?
but you say you want to build more.
No worry yourself. Who have the last laugh? Don't talk, you know?
No, it's where my complain for.
Me don't talk, you know?
You say you want to build more.
Come on, take it.
So suppose they go on the Blue Mountain Peak for a hike. Then you will see your leg wobble. Alright, wildlife taking over.
Yeah, peeps.
Yeah.
Don't know. Have to take over. Can't make a birthday man work. Give me strength.
Sandfish, mudfish.
She ate him.
Not yet.
Not yet?
Not get to it yet. No, man, we want that one.
Yeah.
We need a nice cooking setting, you know?
Right.
Go find a nice river.
You want help with him?
Go
No.
a nice river. Look at these people. They look really wet.
Wet. Just look at them wet.
People. Them braver than me. Yeah, people. You know, I always have to go have a little nice swim. This water feels so nice.
I suppose you want the cocoa catch with the hand, you know?
I should you get the head.
See real fish, guys.
Yeah, nice river
Watch
fish.
out, Jess. Miss K, taste better and
That's the
fire,
one
you
from
know?
yesterday?
Yeah.
Miss K, let me say, watch you eat them.
They worked hard for those fish. They hiked through bush and hills and mountains. Hills and valleys. Guys, look at that.
Fish now, you know? Jesus, you get to, you know? Grab him back, you know, Miss Jess.
Ready?
Get them, Reggie. Holding Miss Jess. Alright.
Yeah, big crayfish.
Big crayfish, happy now.
And yes, sir.
Yes. Give them the dance floor. 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 Give them the dance floor.
Oh man, this soup, Stella. And you know it's a little cold in the water, so this is perfect. People, look at that. Crayfish soup.
Outside.
Never tell a lie, man.
No, they haven't heard you. They don't know. No, they didn't hear anything.
God, man.
What's up?
If your man a get stress, girl, pack up your bag and leave. No, you no talking. Boy, you worth more than him for real. Nobody ask no question. You have only option. I just take your time. I just free your mind. You don't know say a young Jammy, man. Fully.
Oh, where can they find you?
You don't know say you can find me on YouTube.
Oh.
Young Jammy.
Young Jammy?
Young Jammy. You hear? One clocks. This is the one clocks. That's it. That is it. And all media platform also. Spotify,
Instagram,
everything.
Spotify?
Everything with the pan, man.
People go and check him out on the social medias. I'm going to leave the link in the description.
Alright.
So, yeah, I can go and check it out. Yeah,
man,
young upcoming artist.
Oh, you mean, man? Oh, you mean, man? It's 2 year mad thing, you know, man.
Alright.
You have thing with a chronicle and thing, you know, man. You don't know anything, set, man.
Nice. Alright, love it, love it. Yes. Here's some of the bro.
So good.
People, look at that.
Bless it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
It's been a while, crocodile.
Yes, man.
It's a good rhyme. Matching.
How we spend. But we all spend more half an hour still.
Yeah. Alright.
So we sketch it for the right time. When the food is almost ready.
Almost ready. Soup ready, crayfish soup ready, and everything else almost ready too.
Right time before.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. All about is really good. Check it out. Jessica.
Yes.
No vlog.
Good to see you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Long time.
Yeah.
I'm back in your parish.
Yeah? Just like that.
As usual, right?
I look at most people in my parish and live you in there, you know.
Really? Yes, sir. How it is?
Like KFC.
Like KFC?
Yeah, man, you have a crunch tonight.
KFC now, no over it.
You have a crunch and you have a little buzz.
See people?
Jessica, what you say? You have 2 guns, you know?
I see you come with 2 guns, sir.
One of me, one of you.
Exactly.
Yeah, man, I know it's more Charlie Wilder.
Carnival.
Carnival. Yeah, man. Every time this is go cool, man. Come here. Huh? Yes. Barbecue sauce, Auntie Jess. Yes.
Sweet. Okay. Rice and peas, people. Look at that.
Mullet and color. School, man. And them that.
And them this?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
When them big.
They're not them. Like
this, they right as
right
just the mullet big so.
Yeah. In a
Just
so.
a while ago, no
Yeah.
joke.
2 of them in there.
Mister, when you are taking fish out of them bed, you see? I try to show you, say, you see sea fish, they come in front of you, gun. You see them your fisher? You have to guard them yard.
Me like you want them we go in front of
You know me as the vibes, what kind of vibes? We have to guard them yard for them I want. You see fish them, they come in front of your gun, cause say shoot me, kill me. Them you have to kick off them door. Yeah, you have to kick off them door and say, oh, if you move me, bust your brain. That's about me scare, man. Turn that one there.
The oil.
After the other keep on the bar. Coconut.
People will have copyright restrictions, so you know.
Yeah, come on.
If you want music, you have to sing. A big artist here, he will sing. You play bucket. Bucket. It's a water. Water. And drink some water.
Yes, lad.
Check it, small and just run in, you know. Check it.
I'm afraid, may I go, you know?
Continue.
No! It looks really, really nice.
yeah.
Vibez birthday and other subscriber. Just gather and have a party of some food here. We beg God to bless the food. And while we are here, we should enjoy what He provides for us. And bless and keep. That's we can do more things like this. Such time.
Pasta come, please.
Oh, look at this. Yeah. We have Barra, fried Barra. Yeah. And we have salad. And we have rice and peas. That is it. You want some? You want some? Alright, let's see what's up here. I'm hungry. Yeah, man. Alright. Guys, remember this one? Do you remember it? Yeah. Went fishing for it in Runaway Bay. With Odin. Oh, nice. Yeah, man, rice and peas, nice.
Is the queen of the Caribbean Ocean. You know, she has conquered them all. Oceans and the stream.
Even the rivers,
Even
yes.
the river. Yes.
Oh, man.
How's the food?
Food is delicious. Guys, you want some? Yeah, man, we have some barracuda. Is one of my favorite fish. Barra, yeah, with some good rice and peas cooking coconut. And then we have some salad, escovitch fish, basically. So, yeah. And if you want to see how we caught them, yeah, the video is on my channel, how we got the barra. Odin got them. I was just there.
Alright, remember, tell them the name of your channel.
My channel is Jessica Cargill. Jessica Cargill, yeah. And yeah, if you wanna see some videos about spear fishing, finding waterfalls, cooking outdoors, and just that stuff. A little hiking too. Yeah.
Yes, my peeps. So we are going to be putting this Cargill channel link in the description, so you guys can go over there and show some love.
Yeah. Alright. Down Trinidad now.
Alright. I know carnival and thing is just a few days, you know.
But
But
you
you
know,
see Jamaica right now, a big deal. No joke. We
Big up the
outside.
channel, Jamaica Vibes Adventure.
Jamaica Vibes Adventure. You don't know, say I think this. I hate this, man. A big deal, man.
Outside.
wait,
outside.
where say you're from Trinidad?
Where do go?
Live both ways. You know, countries. Jamaica
Okay,
and
okay,
Trinidad. So traveler.
okay. Traveler.
I'm a
Yeah.
Jessica.
You have to.
I live in Jamaica, I live in Trinidad.
Too far I am, and we live two places. Travel.
So which food better?
Now, me not Jamaica, my country, I am a born. Me not give up country.
Hey, they say Jamaica food better than Trinidad. Trinidad food
Trinidad.
better than Jamaica.
Eh.
How that thump him now?
Straight in a river.
Right.
I carnival now, don't.
Yeah? Bam, bam, bam,
Bam,
bam.
bam, bam.
Yeah, you fan, man.
Plate. They say how the chicken tastes.
Bad man, gone on already. One more.
Really?
Yeah.
See guys, that chicken different.
That's it.
Yeah. Alright.
One.
Miss, how is the food?
Tastes good.
Tastes good?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Chicken tender and nice.
So
And
what
the
is the
rice.
fish or the chicken? Fish or chicken?
I'm not tasty fish.
Yeah, there's the fish.
But the chicken bad.
Chicken bad?
Yes.
Alright. Because I don't eat chicken, so I have to ask.
Chicken nice man. The food up.
Alright.
Yes.
Up kid. Nice. Did you prep for the fish or the chicken? Chicken? Barbecue. Hi. Celebrate wife's birthday today. Birthday cookout. Yeah. Nothing left. See guys, when there's a lot of YouTuber, there is no problem with music because nobody wants to play the music because of copyright. So we all just have to sing and talk. That's so funny. That's how we do it. Have an event, we bring garbage bag. Yeah, right way.
Yes.
Oh,
I'm here. Map me up and down for the road from. Last night I told check me off here make up a Christian. Vibes and Chevy. So them a deal with me.
People have Vibes birthday.
Okay,
Cookout, yeah.
Bless up. Thank you for coming through. Let me tell you the food from now. Thank you so much for passing through.
Yeah, man.
As a friend. Yeah. You know the vibes already. We always love when you're around us. See it?
Right.
Bless up. And guys, remember, you know, Jessica Cargill. We're not enough for that. Big up on us.
Yeah.
You know the vibes.
Next time we hunt again, but today we just chill.
Chill and eat.
Good food. Yeah.
I'm belly full now.
I'm belly full.
I'm belly full now.
For me, belly full too. belly full life good. See, festive. Look what this here.
Oh, where you get the seasoning from? Shadow and Juice. Where you get the seasoning from? You go order it online, you know.
You are really sick, you know.
I'm going to eat bird or them the other day, so.
Okay.
It's my dear space.
Can't never too much, Barra. But we have chicken and we have tilapia or perch.
Yeah. Piece of pork.
Piece of people.
Piece of chentan. And some pasta here.
Alright.
And some juice here.
And some juice.
Yeah, happy birthday to
Happy
my
birthday! Vibes! Yeah! Alright. Oh, picture time.
Five next birthday party, nobody.
So they want a nice.
See now? Big belly squad. I told, look guys, we have to take picture before we eat. Before I get a pregnant belly. Tuck in.
Tuck in the belly.
We can't tuck in now. Yeah, enough for me tuck in, you know it go.
Ready?
Yeah, man.
Hold on.
Tell me all the way you want.
It's not my birthday. Oh, me get it.
Yeah, bro.
Oh no.
Yeah, man. We catch it over.
Like the waker. Wet chicken.
Rockstar.
Hold on, me want my thumbnail now.
Call me teeth flower. I don't say why teeth flower.
No, you know, bro. That is it, man. Happy birthday, me bro, man. I want to see you, man. I want
Happy
to
birthday.
But listen, no, listen. Just sit down and get to the proof of that face.
Yeah, man. I come in.
Sorry. See what I look how she not say what I like, girl. You say the dirty bit.
People watching your face. That's how it goes. That's a tradition. Alright, I want an outro, but so we have one big artist here. And I want a boring outro. I want, see?
Yeah.
A different outro I want. Yeah, one special outro. So we have top artists here. I'm leaving, so I said bye, everybody. You want to say anything to my audience?
Sure, no like, comment, share, subscribe. Guys, I all the mermaid we have in Jamaica.
I soon have to come over your side here.
Yes, man. All the mermaid teams have to support her.
See you guys fish some nice fish too the other day with the line.
Yes, man. I carry up on this spot.
Alright guys, look out for that link up.
Yes.
Soon, we are working on it. Alright, yeah man. I'm not gonna make that miss me. More nice outro. Guys, thanks for watching and I leave it up to you.
You don't know, man. We enjoy ourselves, you know.
Oh, yeah, give me a little singing though.
Alright, I'm gonna give you singing, man.
Yeah.
Alright, listen.
I do to deserve this. I need a strength to move on. My heart is in bondage. Half of my life is gone. I wonder who could stop this. I need a strength to move on. Because my mind is not so strong. I need determination to go hard. Yes, I'm gonna put in in the work, no is action. Watch your hater face, watch reaction. So me stay far in a distraction. Me no need no more love. All of that is for pretend. Me no need no argument. Me work hard for what I want. Me give thanks to the most I want, yeah. Who carry me through this time.
I don't know, say young Jammy man. And there's a love. Happy to meet you.
Yeah, thanks for the special outro.
Yeah,
people,
yeah.
this body.
That
Yeah,
is it,
man. Love it, love it. So you can go download his music, subscribe to his channel so you get more of that nice music.
That is it, man.
Yeah.
You don't know things it, man. Watch
All
out,
right.
watch out,
All
watch
right.
out. Young Jammy, my name.
And that's a wrap. Catch you on my next adventure. Bye.
Bye.